Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
The T-Roc R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS DSG is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in an Indium Grey Metallic finish and it looks remarkable. The car has just one previous owner, so you can be rest assured it's been well maintained during its life cycle. You also get access to alloy wheels which complement the exterior finish well, offering a stylish look to the vehicle, and power folding wing mirrors which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres. You have a fairly spacious boot capacity big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel as well. Isofix points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C input in the back there for fast charging as well. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the immersive dashboard display, but we'll touch on this later. In panning around, you can see we have the Soul, Flint Grey and titanium black interior upholstery with the R-Line embroidery. An upgraded panoramic sunroof which offers a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for summer occasions. The multifunction steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display it shows key information like your driving data and your navigation. Over to the left hand side, you also have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort. Over to the entertainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and into our driving mode selection with the 4 different driving modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive, and Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. Parking distance control offers your parking sensors alongside the upgraded rear view camera, ensuring confidence and safety on every manoeuvre and ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As we do pop the car into reverse, you will notice these sensors and rear camera do automatically display. Lastly, the car also hosts the winter pack, which is the heated seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. These are separately controlled, so there's no arguments there. And you also get a dual climate control, which simply allows you to adjust your finger to adjust the temperature of the heat, like so, or you can synchronize it with a master switch. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.